You like stealing shit, buddy? Huh?
I live in the fucking building.
Yeah?
This is your fob thing.
See, he's got it in his hand.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Eastbound Chopsicles. It's Saturday, Labor Day long weekend. We're gonna go head out to Steveston. It's a little bit of a trip, but we'll see if we can make it. We'll see you there. Just got to Steveston. It's the most southern part of Richmond, right by the water. We're at Paw Joe's. It's known for fish and chips.
This is where that iconic seal jumped out of the water and grabbed the little Chinese
Yeah, the little girl,
and
yeah.
dragged her into the water. This is the spot right here.
So we're just gonna chill, have a little bite to eat, have a little drink, take a little break. We'll see you in a bit.
Say D-Lo, you so crazy. Poppin' that shit, don't phase me. I need my chips and the dip is like gravy. Me and my nigga Slim, what's on the blade, right?
Okay guys, it's 420 somewhere in this world. And you know it's 420 always for us.
We sending bitches early morning till the late night. Talking some over the Figaro at sunset. She'll give you money if you tell her you don't want sex. That fuck her mind up, tell her she just a find up. Get out of pocket with a piece, she gon' get lined up. I had this hoochie from the J, she was a go-getter. She brought her friend went too, that's how you know, nigga. Bitch, I'm from tiny lows, I ain't no hoe, nigga. You broke and only fuck with ballers, you some gold niggas. It's for them girls rolling stress, I'm trying to smoke with you. Looking busted in the club, steady drinking yo liquor. Bitch, put the bottle down, that's for the bros, boo. But I ain't mad at you. You bitches, that's what hoes do. Yo, that's what these hoes do. Yo, that's what these hoes do. Yo, that's what these hoes do. But we not mad at you bitches, that's what hoes do. Marathon shit.
Okay guys, just finished doing the Richmond seawall, taking a little break. You know how we do it, East Van Chopsicle style. Okay guys, just got back into Vancouver. GoPro battery's about to die, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. We rode a lot today. It was a lot of fun. So until next time, see you later. Peace.